I just got this special box in the mail today, and it's got some special stuff in it. Let's talk about it. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Got a little problem here. I, for whatever reason, did not record audio when I recorded this video, so you can tell what I'm saying and the video do not match. So, never to fear, I'm doing a voiceover for this, but as you can see here in the video, I am unboxing a package I received in the mail today. Today's video is sponsored by Spec5. Spec5 is a great source for plug-and-play turnkey mesh-tastic solutions, and they have sent a few items here for me to try out. So we're going to open it up and see what we got. Now you can see right here that I am using a key to open a box. A lot of people make fun of me for not using a X-Acto knife or pocket knife or something like that. I just use what's handy to me, so I use my keys to open it up. As you see, we open it up. We got a lot of packing peanuts, and there is the packaging slip. Try not to spill the packing peanuts everywhere. All right, so the first thing you see that I'm pulling out of the box here, this is the Spec5 relay. It is basically a solar node for mesh-tastic. So you can see the white cord there. The white cord goes to the solar panel. As you can see, it was buried under everything else. So we wanted to be careful, and you want to be very careful when dealing with the with any kind of solar panel. You don't want to break it. And you see the solar panel here, and it's quite a decent sized solar panel. It is made out of plastic. The housing is out of plastic, but very decent size, and definitely fits perfectly with the needs for this node. So as we continue to pull things out of the box, you see we have some very, very large hose clamps. These will be used in the future to attach the solar node to a post. Here we see a couple of catalogs that Spec5 sent along for their different products. Guys, I want you to go down in the description down below. You'll see a link to Spec5. Go ahead and click on that and check out all the great products that they got. Now, you will say, or you all notice that some of the prices are a little higher. Well, this is because this is already pre-done for you. If you're a utility user, there's no soldering, there's no programming. It's pretty well plug it up, put power to it, and go. Of course, you may want to go into the settings and adjust them to whatever you want. Now, you see here, we're now pulling the Spec5 Ranger out of the box. Spec5 Ranger is similar to a Liligo T-Deck, except it's a little bit of a better product, so to speak. It is very well built, has a good housing around it. Very, very solid device. Now you see we're pulling out another device out of the box here. This is, and I kept getting a phone call during this. What we're pulling out now is something that grabbed my attention. This is the Spec5 Spectre. Basically what you have here, this is a miniature Android cell phone with a, for lack of better words, a T-beam attached to the back of it. So they both work in tandem together. Very solid build. It's about double the thickness of a regular cell phone. But got a great case on it, great antenna. Very plug and play, easy to work with. The only thing I've noticed about this is it's hard to type because it is a smaller screen, so it's hard to type your Meshtastic messages on it. And as you can see, now we are pulling out the all-new Spec5 Tracker Delta. This is a brand new version of the Tracker. And my understanding is I'm one of the first people to put my hands on one of these. So these are really cool. You'll get to see more about it in a later video. But basically, it's a repeater. But it is battery powered. It's not like the relay. Whereas the relay is solar powered. This is a battery powered on-the-go repeater, and you can also tie into it with your iPhone or your Android, and send messages, as it does have a radio that way. So, folks, that's about it. That's in the unboxing. I'll have several more videos coming out here in the next few days, few weeks. That kind of thing, that shows the installation and the setup of these devices. So again, this video is sponsored by Spec5. Make sure to go to the link down in the description down below and check out Spec5. Everything that you purchase on Spec5 goes to support the channel. These guys are great for plug-and-play solutions, guys. I really enjoy the products. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you hit the subscribe button and come back for more. We'll see you on the next video. 73 is a 4WX WSCB 693.